The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2009 Porsche Cayenne with factory installed tracks in the roof. So we've just installed the Yakima JetStream SkyLine based roof rack system. So this is made up of the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length, black shown here, but silver is also available. The SkyLine towers, which come in a set of 4 and have a quick release feature. So locks are available separately and are recommended since it is a pretty easy system to remove. And the last piece is landing pad number 1. You'll need 2 sets of those, one for the front set and one for the back set. So overall you have a 165 pound carrying capacity and a max bar spread of 48 inches. These are more narrow than that. So a really great system for all sorts of different cargo and gear on the roof. So that's just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.